from within the house, contrasting with the cooler, darker tones of the surrounding foliage. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, highlighting textures of stone, wood, and glass, along with a rich color palette of deep greens, earthy browns, and soft yellows. A modern, eco-friendly house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a flat roof adorned with solar panels and a vibrant rooftop garden. The house has large glass windows and wooden accents, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The exterior is a mix of dark and light wood, contrasting beautifully with the green plants cascading over the edges. The scene is set during golden hour, casting a soft glow on the wooden deck and highlighting the textures of the plants. The setting is urban yet tranquil, with the house seamlessly blending into its surroundings. Modern eco-friendly house with a green rooftop, surrounded by lush landscaping in autumn. The setting features trees with vibrant yellow and orange leaves, creating a warm contrast against the sleek black and gray exterior of the house. Large glass windows provide a view into the warmly lit interior, emphasizing a cozy atmosphere. The deck is adorned with potted plants and natural stone accents, blending seamlessly into the manicured lawn. The overall aesthetic is a mix of modern design and nature, with a focus on harmony and sustainability. Cozy urban balcony scene, featuring a large, L-shaped sofa adorned with colorful cushions in vibrant shades of purple and orange, surrounded by lush greenery in terracotta pots. A richly patterned vintage rug in hues of purple, blue, and gold covers the wooden floor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The backdrop showcases a panoramic city skyline under a partly cloudy sky, providing a contrast between natural elements and urban architecture. Cozy urban balcony scene, featuring a large, L-shaped sofa adorned with colorful cushions in vibrant shades of purple and orange, surrounded by lush greenery in terracotta pots. A richly patterned vintage rug in hues of purple, blue, and gold covers the wooden floor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The backdrop showcases a panoramic city skyline under a partly cloudy sky, providing a contrast between natural elements and urban architecture. Modern architectural masterpiece, a house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a sleek black facade and expansive glass walls that reflect warm golden light from the interior. The structure sits in a vibrant urban setting, elevated with a rooftop garden overflowing with diverse plants and flowers. Soft ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere within, while the surrounding landscape includes well-maintained grass and additional potted plants. A modern two-story house with a sleek design, featuring an exterior covered in vibrant vertical gardens, showcasing a variety of lush green plants and colorful flowers. The structure is made of dark gray concrete, with large glass windows allowing natural light to flood the interior. The surrounding garden is well maintained, with a wooden deck leading to a serene water feature reflecting the house. The setting is bathed in warm golden light from the sunset, casting soft shadows and creating a tranquil ambience. Luxurious modern balcony with a stunning city skyline view, the scene is hyper-realistic, showcasing an inviting outdoor lounge area adorned with plush, neutral-toned cushions on stylish wicker furniture. Large potted plants add a touch of greenery, while a cozy circular ottoman in shades of black and orange serves as a focal point. The wooden deck has a soft, textured rug beneath a round coffee table that holds decorative items. Bright, natural light floods the space, creating a vibrant atmosphere under a clear blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds. Modern rooftop apartment with an open, luxurious design, featuring expansive glass walls and a striking cantilevered structure. The setting showcases a breathtaking urban skyline during twilight, with soft, dimming city lights in the background and a colorful sunset illuminating the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. The scene is rich with greenery, including potted plants and grasses adorning the terraces, blending nature with architecture. A pathway of sleek black stone slabs interspersed with smooth, rounded pebbles. The garden showcases vibrant purple lavender flowers cascading along the edges, contrasted by lush, spherical topiaries trimmed to perfection. The setting is bright and inviting, bathed in natural sunlight, emphasizing the rich textures of the plants and the crisp lines of the stone. In the background, tall trees provide a sense of privacy, while manicured hedges frame the scene, contributing to an overall aesthetic of contemporary elegance and harmony with nature. Modern architectural house at twilight, featuring a combination of sleek glass and rustic stone elements. The facade is defined by large, expansive windows that reflect soft twilight hues. The surrounding landscape showcases a lush, meticulously designed garden filled with vibrant succulents and tropical plants, illuminated by warm outdoor lighting. Include contrasting materials like gravel pathways and smooth stone tiles, integrated with green lawns and textural plants. Modern architectural home surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows and a sleek, minimalist design. The scene exhibits a harmonious blend of natural elements and contemporary aesthetics, showcasing an impressionistic style. The setting includes a well-maintained garden with manicured grass, large rocks, and strategically placed potted plants. The color palette emphasizes earthy tones, rich greens, and hints of warm wood tones, with soft lighting illuminating pathways and the home's interior. The atmosphere conveys tranquility and an intimate connection with nature, highlighting a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. A modern architectural masterpiece set in a serene garden oasis, showcasing a harmonious blend of glass and dark wooden elements. The house features large windows that reflect the lush greenery surrounding it. Soft, warm lighting emanates from within, creating an inviting atmosphere. The well-manicured garden is adorned with an array of plants, including neatly trimmed shrubs and vibrant flowers, accentuated by stone pathways and subtle gravel areas. A meticulously pruned bonsai tree serves as a focal point, surrounded by lush ferns and ornamental grasses. Modern architectural design featuring a sleek, single-story house, adorned with natural stone accents and vertical gardens. The facade is richly textured with varying shades of gray and warm brown tones, accented by vibrant green plants. Large glass windows reflect the surroundings, showcasing an inviting interior with warm lighting. The setting is a landscaped garden with smooth stone pathways lined by lush succulents and ornamental grasses, interspersed with pops of color from flowering plants. A serene modern garden path leading up to a sleek, contemporary house, featuring large glass windows and a wooden overhang. The scene is infused with hyper-realistic details, showcasing a carefully designed landscape. The pathway is composed of dark, irregular stone slabs interspersed with smooth black pebbles, creating a natural texture. Lush greenery includes neatly trimmed round bushes and vibrant clusters of tiny red and pink flowers. Lavender blooms add pops of soft purple, harmonizing with the landscape. Background trees are dense and vibrant green, filtering sunlight that casts gentle shadows across the scene. A serene, modern garden courtyard showcasing a blend of nature and contemporary architecture, emphasizing a harmonious balance between design and greenery. The scene is set during dusk, with soft, warm lighting illuminating the sleek, black structure of the house, accentuating the lush foliage. The color palette features deep greens from the plants and trees, contrasted against the dark, textured materials of the building and the calming reflections in the black pool. A minimalistic water fountain serves as a focal point, surrounded by carefully arranged stepping stones that create a pathway through the manicured garden, filled with ornamental grasses and subtle lighting features. A serene modern garden scene in an ultra-modern architectural setting, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and design. The foreground features a meticulously arranged pathway made of large, flat stones leading through lush greenery, dotted with varying textures of grass, shrubs, and ornamental plants, creating a tranquil retreat feel. A sleek wooden deck extends from the house, complemented by contemporary outdoor furniture. Large glass windows reflect a vibrant landscape, emphasizing openness. The color palette includes rich greens, soft earth tones, and an eye-catching splash of red from flowering plants. A tranquil outdoor space featuring a modern wooden deck leading to a serene pond, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant plants. The scene is set in a contemporary home with large glass windows allowing natural light to flow in. The deck is composed of warm-toned wood and has sleek, minimalist furniture placed thoughtfully. The pond is dotted with smooth stones and soft lily pads, reflecting the greenery around it. The color palette includes earthy browns, deep greens, and hints of floral colors, creating a soothing atmosphere. Luxurious modern villa surrounded by a lush tropical garden, featuring a serene swimming pool with crystal clear water reflecting the vibrant greens overhead. The architecture is a blend of concrete and glass, showcasing an open-plan living area that seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor spaces. Sun loungers with plush cushions frame the pool area, while an elegant wooden deck leads to the entrance. Towering palm trees and diverse foliage create a tranquil atmosphere, with dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves.